You can download these folders in this video, or else go where I leave all this folder and download the file. Now we go to versus code. File, open folder, desktop. This folder is this. We select this folder. Yes, I trust the authors. This is our project folder. We enter the index file. And this is an HTML file, because usually JavaScript is attached to web pages, at least when we're building front-end applications. So to start, we'll always need an HTML document like this, because our JavaScript needs to be attached to an HTML document. Now in HTML there is a script tag where we can write JavaScript. So let's do that here in a header. Right beneath the style, let's create the script tab here, in which we will write JavaScript now. So let JS is equal amazing, and then in JavaScript we usually add a semicolon to the end of each line, and this will then let JavaScript know that we are done with this line, and it's actually not really mandatory, and you will see some people omit the semicolons, but I still consider it a good practice, and I believe it made the code a bit cleaner. If JavaScript is amazing, then alert, JavaScript is fun. JS equal amazing. If JavaScript is equal amazing, then alert, JavaScript is fun. And so I am going back to my desktop. Open this file with Google Chrome. JavaScript is fun. Okay? And so that is coming from our index.html. And we see the starting file, which is actually this text. So as you see in VS Code, JavaScript Good Fundamentals Part 1 in this H1 tag is exactly what we see here. We can get rid of the sidebar here by clicking this file icon. We are going to do a mathematical operations. More tools, developer tools, console. If we want to display results, for example from a calculation like this here in the console, we need to tell JavaScript to explicitly output the result to the console, and we can do that using a special function. Call console.log, okay, and then save it and then reload. Okay, we get the result printed to the console here, and that actually says that it's coming from index.html at line 29, and so that's exactly the line where we did all this computation. I wrote this JavaScript code to show you that here in the HTML file you can write JavaScript code, but this is something we should try not to do because it is considered a bad practice. So we should to do where is our files, and we go create new file. The name is script.js. Let's index.html and code JavaScript cut let's script.js and paste here. The correct practice is to write the JavaScript code here and index delete script. So we execute this code by reloading the browser. Now nothing will happen. This appears on 53 because this HTML file right now does not know where to find the JavaScript code. So let's do that connection, and we usually do that at the end of the body tag, okay? And actually we will use a script again. We're not gonna put any code inside the script element, but instead we are gonna specify the source attribute. So here all we need to do is to then specify the name of the script on the location. Now in this case a script .js file is in the same folder as index.html. So all we have to do here is to just write the file name like this. We don't have to specify the entire path to the file, okay? So if we save this now in reload, okay, and then resolve this computation. Now, if you didn't get the alert window or this output here, then that means that your script file is probably not correctly linked to the HTML file. So in that case, please make 100% sure that script file is in the exact same folder as the HTML file. Also make sure that you correctly spell script src. Just as I have it here in my HTML. And finally also make sure that you have no errors in your JavaScript code. So these are some common mistakes that people make. If you want to create your own apps or web pages or websites, keep watching my videos that I will teach you.